obviously I'm gonna have to learn.
How much would you sell all the knives for? Then you don't have to pick, we'll just buy them all. You get a good price if we buy them all?
But the same.
Shutter Island. These are legitimate. Nah.
Having a tough time
Really?
with getting it to scan.
Oh, okay.
Some costumes. Yeah. Ooh, makes perfect veggetti. Spaghetti made out of vegetables. Veggetti. $9. 50% off. Yeah. No. Morning, how are you? Pretty good. Limb saver.
We have a sight from a bow, but no bow.
It's actually better.
What? Sight from a bow, but no bow? Yeah, I just got a new sight for my bow not too long ago. Oh, that's sweet.
Hey, that rhymed.
Are you from Vermont?
I am.
You are. Where in Vermont?
St. Albans?
St. Albans. My sister
Purper.
went to Linden State College
Okay.
up there.
Yeah,
Hear that?
I think my aunt went to Linden State.
There's some bow stuff, some gun stuff. It's probably worth buying this stuff. It's a gun cleaning kit.
So did you move?
These are probably good.
How do you like it?
I like it.
Bucks.
Linden State is like that.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, it's complete, and it's still dead. It's a very, I was going to Riviera College in Nashua when she was going there, New Hampshire. It's a dead
Deadnuts
area.
Pro.
And we went up there because she was going to go become
What do you think of that, Al? 10 bucks?
Huh?
What do you think of 10 bucks for that? Think
I
it's
have
worth
no
more
idea
than
what
that?
they're worth.
Me either. I feel like they're worth more than 10 bucks.
Said he bought a new one.
What do you think? I don't know. What is this thing? Nut Wizard. Extra small. Huh.
What is that?
It's a nut wizard.
What's
Just
a
for
nut
picking
wizard?
up nuts?
For picking up nuts, I think.
Brad? Oh, yeah, okay. That's what I have. That makes
These
sense.
biking shoes. Yeah.
Let me think. Let's see. Let's see what it's
What
at.
rocks?
Well, we've had a fence put up, you know, it's rock
Okay.
and then digging the holes, fence posts.
Yeah,
Nut
it's a
wizard.
cool idea.
Would you do 5 on your site?
What's the deal with the boxes? Are the boxes for sale or is that what you have all
They
the
are
stuff
for
in?
sale. I have a guy that might be coming to pick them up, but I told him that I
pretty
wasn't going to
cool.
hold them for him unless he sent me money.
Give you $1 for this too.
Okay, sounds
For
good.
$6.
Yeah. Do you have a say?
This is cool.
So it depends on your bow.
Yeah.
So you want to take these out because I just put a new string on this and did reserved everything on it. So instead of if you have a single cam bow and you don't have a bow press, what you can do is you can pull on your cable
Okay.
and you put a just be careful with it. You just put like a nice round screwdriver in there.
Oh, right in that hole.
Yeah, right in there, and then that will hold it, and you can
smart.
separate your serving enough. Because
Yeah.
I still got to do this peep, but I haven't figured out where I want to put it yet. But kind of during all the lockdowns and stuff, I kind of self-taught myself on this bow. As an
That's
older
cool.
bow, I was like, I'm gonna give it a whirl because every time you put a new string on it, it's about 150 bucks.
Yeah.
But you can get a string for about 40 bucks for these,
Wow.
and do it yourself. Just, I mean,
That's pretty cool.
what I did is I used the old string that was on it and kind of self-taught myself all of the all the ties and everything and beat up that one real bad.
Huh.
And once I figured out what I wanted to do with it, then I did this one.
Okay.
But yeah, there's all different ways of tying stuff down.
Oh, that's cool.
But yeah, I just put this sight on recently.
My discovery is that when you get old and your shoulders go, you don't get to use bows anymore.
Yeah, or you just get a lighter one.
How much are your pants?
$5.
Yeah, I'll do $5.
They're very bright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Good luck with your sale. Thank you. Yeah, he's kind of tapping out. These are nice. How much are your phones?
$1 for both.
What's this thing?
Can't say no to that.
Yeah, they paid a lot for them, but
Yeah, they're nice.
working remote and just.
Yeah, no need anymore. There you go.
Thank you.
Let's see what else you got. They're still building, huh?
Yes.
I saw that. That's
Voice
cool.
over IP.
I know, I know. Gund. That's cute.
That one's got tags on it.
Yeah, I should probably buy that. What's that?
Just about everything is 25 cents.
Okay.
Oh, here. Take that then.
Yeah, we gotta take Elmo then.
Desk 3D.
What?
That's the bed and desk.
Yeah, you
Why?
probably want to sand off the stickers, but it's.
I wonder if that would work in my lease.
Videos.
I would, but you gotta get it home. You'd have to come pick it up later today. It's not gonna fit in the van.
What does he want?
That bed?
Well, it's a lifted bed and desk.
And then it has a desk that comes out.
Anything else we want?
And this entertainment stand is free too if you want it.
Oh, that's nice.
I don't know about. So,
I'll do $1 for these four.
Okay. Perfect.
Dave, did you see all this?
Thank
There you go. Yeah. That's what she
Are
said.
they free? You said that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, those would be chilled, yeah.
Yeah, grab the dinosaurs for me. I like dinosaurs. Gotcha. That's good
We
too.
gotta get the address. Oh, okay.
We can probably. Well, I don't know if it's gonna rain. Is it supposed to rain?
Alright, she's got a whole bunch of your little toys. Let me give you at least a couple bucks for it.
And I took the bag too. Is that okay to put them in?
21.
I took the bag.
Perfect.
That sounds great. 24, 21. Jeez. 0 miles. That must be it.
Oh, I bought these too.
Mommy showing your babies.
We're having a little struggle with that, but we're getting there.
Yeah, Dave, there's stuffed animals for the pigs.
I know. It's a food dehydrator too.
Oh, I used to have them. And then, you know,
Hi.
Puppy pal. How much is this guy?
$1, right?
Okay.
$1 an animal.
Pound puppy, I think.
Yeah.
I bought
Pound puppy. Yeah, that's it. I thought there was a puppy pal, but that's right. Pound puppy.
pound puppy.
Yeah.
Laura, is that the one
Cool.
I gave Mackenzie? No, that's mine. You said I didn't even know.
Thank you.
I should have told you get yours out.
How much is this beautiful blanket? 30? Yeah. It's really nice.
Very bright.
Yeah, it's nice. Has some cassettes.
Pulls here. Wheels. So how are you guys doing?
Okay, how are you?
Good.
Schindler's List, Independence Day.
Oh, nice, David.
What do you think, Sherry?
What? I like.
Oh, cool.
Okay. These are,
Yeah.
I don't know if they're
These are neat.
what you look for. You like nice.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
This is 10 grand,
That's cool.
Dave.
Are all these belt buckles $1? Yeah.
At least it's not raining.
Yeah, it's nice.
Too many times I've run garage sales and be raining.
Look at all the nice, Dave.
I see them.
Those are cute. I like those.
Yeah. What is this?
I've actually been
Oh,
thinking
Dad.
about a
Here you-
fillet knife.
Guys,
What? Oh, that's a really big. What's that?
It's just a knife. I was just looking, oh, the fillet knife.
Do you have a lot of fillet knives because you fillet a lot, or you just like them?
He filleted a lot, but he always used the same knife, so I don't know why he's got so many. Thank
Oh
you.
my!
any chance you'd sell your blanket for $15?
Sure.
Yeah,
There's a
okay.
Michigan salmon.
Nice.
That's
You have
what
5
these
back?
things are for.
A $5 bill back?
Them little things like that don't work.
Oh, you need a big one for a big
Well,
fish.
You see the size of
Thank
them.
you.
When you get a fillet that's this wide, those little things don't work.
Okay.
You see all of,
What was the appropriate fillet?
What?
you see.
I did. It's all westerns. Westerns aren't. I bought the blanket.
12 inches longer. You
Those
can't
knives
take
are any
it
good.
where I am.
They probably
so
are. There's
The
high.
flounder's going to be pretty wide, right? It's 12
Right.
inches long. It's going to
Right.
be.
Sure.
Well, there again, you know, you need one of those long ones.
Okay.
For these little 7-inch things.
Are these
Only
like-
good for
Makes it
pike,
pretty hard to try to
are these
and no one wants to eat
fillet
pike.
them.
J Martini.
Are these
I've got a J
decoration,
Martini.
kinda? Are these just decoration? What are
They're just decorations.
So if you, knowing how to fillet, were to buy a knife, which one would you buy?
I'm sorry?
If you, knowing how to fillet, 'cause I don't know,
You don't know how to play?
not really. I saw my uncle do it.
Well,
But if you were gonna
Listen to-
buy one, which one would you buy?
would I buy?
Yeah, what
Of
would you
these?
buy? Yeah,
Well, I sold the best one.
Of
that I
course.
had.
that's my luck.
Probably, is this got a, he
Yeah,
likes
that's, this is my personal fishing, right there.
Yeah.
I sold the replica of this. It was that much wider.
That's been more than that much.
I've been using this for 60 years.
Oh my.
That's, I like this better than any of them I've ever used. That handle never slips.
Yeah.
So that wood, all this new stuff,
Kmart.
wood stays here. This crap deteriorates.
What's that?
Yeah.
That don't.
I'll pour the middle one.
that.
Yeah.
How much is that one?
I talked,
But if the ones you have now, if you were gonna buy one, which one would you buy?
would I buy?
Which one?
Well, if I was going to buy it myself, I would buy this one. That's got a good name, but that's what it mostly is, the name. You know,
So the good one's not for sale?
well, I don't have any more.
Oh, well,
Well, are you selling
his.
that
I-
one?
that's his.
I got the same thing in this size.
Yeah.
Which
That's the
would be
same
good
one.
for flounder?
So why don't you, that one's no good or is it good?
That's
And that's a decent price on it. I paid more than that when I bought it.
Well, sure.
But-
good knife's not cheap. Well, I have those sheets going, all right.
That's a,
But nice thing you say I'm going to have to learn.
How much would you sell all the knives for? Then you don't have to pick. We'll just buy them all. You get a good price if we buy them all.
but the reason I
I
tell
didn't
you,
even hear
You didn't
you.
even hear me.
He's,
Yeah,
he doesn't hear very well.
gotcha.
He would give you a good price for all of them, how much would you charge you?
for how many?
All the
All
knives.
of 'em.
The knives.
Oh,
Except that one. I don't think it's for
No,
so
sale.
you don't get that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
It'd have to be probably about $1.25.
I'll do it. I'll give you 100 and a quarter.
You're gonna sell all them for
Maybe
$125?
100,
Yeah.
100.
Is that not enough?
Yeah.
Well, no, it looks
It's okay?
like that's,
Hey,
See, that's fair.
what am I gonna do with it?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I'm the same
He-
way.
He's gonna
Yeah.
he's gonna make some good money on them.
100 and a quarter.
knows that.
There you
No,
go,
he's
yeah.
gonna give his mother.
I'm gonna
this
let them
one.
pick theirs first, and I'm gonna keep a
Make some
few.
good money.
Yeah.
on 'em.
Yeah.
I want this one.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Well, please don't cut yourself.
Yeah, go easy. You're dangerous.
And look, you can call it a successful sale.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. What was your name?
His name's Bill Harness.
Bill? Thank you, Bill.
Here's, I got it.
Is this one of the nice?
Yeah. Oh yeah, a little box. That's perfect. Sorry.
How about these? Did you buy them?
My yard sale. When I realize I have too many knives.
Because I'm gonna get a knife out of this and shears. I'm gonna add $20 to this.
Now you need a scale.
Oh, well, he's the one doing the biggest fishing. He's gonna get some big ones. See, now you don't have to decide. Now you can pick the one you like the best.
I had two this morning.
I'm gonna get those other two belt buckles too.
Okay.
Look at that. Now I'm all out of money.
You got it all.
We get the last two belt buckles too.
Okay.
These two belt buckles. All right, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
All right, guys, thank you for coming with me on that yard sale. The first couple sales, I think I got a couple stuffed animals, a bow sight. That bow sight looks like it comps out like $40 or so. It's like an older model, but there seems to be still a little demand for it. That guy was really nice, teaching me how he uses his bow and all that. And then those pants I got, I haven't comped out those pants, but I think they're decent, probably worth 20 plus, maybe even a little more. And then I got a ton of knives there. And my dad was kind of sitting there and negotiating and trying to figure out which knife to buy for like 10 minutes. I cut out a bunch of the footage because it was kind of boring. We were just standing there watching and watching and watching. And he couldn't decide what knife he wanted. So I said, hey, what if we just buy all the knives? There was a super nice guy, a veteran and all that. And it looked like he was maybe had a flea market booth at some point because everything had prices on it. And they were very high prices. It was pretty obvious they weren't worth what he had on them. And so I just said, hey, how much for everything? And he came back at us with 125. I thought it was a little high, and I would have normally negotiated, but my dad was there, and he doesn't like the negotiation stuff very much, and I know he wanted a knife. And so I said yes, but then my dad didn't think it was enough, so he gave the guy another $20. So we ended up paying $145. These knives are not super great knives. I found solds on a lot of them for pretty low, but very few had them brand new sealed. So like a knife like this, I had found some sold comps for $8, $9, but no solds that were new in box. So I went high on a lot of these and really aggressive with the pricing, where I'd put some of them at $29.99 or $19.99. I even found a few that I could justify in my head selling for $50 to $60. We'll see how it goes if they actually sell or if it was a bad buy. Time will tell. If you want to see, make sure you subscribe to NC Flipper and we'll see if I actually sell any over on that channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.